picked these up yesterday. Prelude 5-speed manual, because I need the boots and the knob. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to try to paint this outline red color. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to use a red nail polish. Hopefully this thing will work. It's so difficult to put in the loose groove because it's just the droplets and it's all over the place. So I'm gonna try to just layer it up and I'm gonna flatten it. So I'm trying to flatten it right now. Get out the excess. So here's the final product. Nail polish. Basically just dab on it and brush on it and then use the paint remover. Just remove all the excess. Have the paint sitting in the groove. Right now I'm just gonna let it dry.